Hi, I'm Gabby and I'm from the marketing team. Thank you for taking the time to watch this instructional video on how to navigate our Stockist support portal. Here you will learn how to create custom point of sale for your store, how to download images for your social media, and learn some visual merchandising tips. To access the portal, log into our wholesale website by using your username and password. Scroll to the bottom of the wholesale website and click Stockist Marketing. Here you can download the monthly point of sale poster. We update these every month with fresh content, so make sure you're checking for new artwork. A fun feature of this portal is that you can create your own point of sale for your store. Click the Special Request drop-down and add in your store details below. Then add in the details you would like on the poster. For example, fun gifts, 10% off Slumbies. Then click Submit and our marketing team will be in touch with your new artwork within 3 business days. To download fresh social media content, simply click on the button under Image Gallery and you'll be taken to our shared Dropbox, which has high-res images of all the ranges, including product shots and lifestyle shots. Click on the image you wish to download and click the download button in the top corner. This will automatically download the image to your computer. The last feature of the marketing portal is our visual merchandising tips, which illustrates how to merchandise your stock for maximum impact. Following this guide, you will be able to create some truly amazing displays. We hope you've learned some useful tips and tricks on how to navigate our portal. If you'd like to know more information, please contact our customer support team and they can take you through the website. Thanks.